Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix recently deleted option is not showing on Instagram. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and now to find your recently deleted option, here we're going to tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. And after that, we're going to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Here, a list of options will appear, so we're going to tap on your activity, the third option. And now scroll all the way down, and as you see here, from removed and archived content, we got a recently deleted option. So if you tap on it, so when you delete a post, stories, video, or reel, they'll show up here. Only you can see them. So if you can't find the recently deleted option, here what we're gonna do, we're gonna go out from here and open up our settings. After that, we're gonna scroll all the way down and we're gonna tap on apps option. Then we're gonna choose the second option, manage apps. Now scroll all the way down and look for Instagram. So here we're gonna clear Instagram cache. So tap on clear data, then clear cache and confirm. So this is the first thing, or the first way you can do to fix this problem. The second way, here you can tap on uninstall and then reinstall the app. After that, open up Instagram again and the recently deleted option should be there. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.